What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. It's case unboxing time, and today we're unboxing the 2021 Hot Wheels N case. This case was provided by granittoys.com. If you want to subscribe and get your own Hot Wheels cases sent to you each time a new one comes out, go check out granittoys.com. Link is in the description down below. The treasure hunt for this case is the Justice League Batmobile. The super treasure hunt for this case is the 1949 Ford F1. And the Hot Wheels Chase ID car for this case is the 2015 Dodge Charger SRT. Let's go ahead and unbox it. And we'll start right up at the top right here. We'll get our first few ones out right here. And first one we have is the 2019 Audi R8 Spider. Then we've got the 2015 Dodge Charger SRT right here, which is really cool. So they do make the ID variation of this, which will be the ID chase car from this case, but that's just the mainline variation. And we've got the aisle driver. Very cool. All right. And then we've got three more up here. We've got the 1998 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. We've got the 67 Camaro right here. Very, very cool. And we have the 1949 Ford F1. This one looks like the Hot Wheels Super Treasure Hunt variation, but I think this is just the standard one. Yes, it is. So it's a little bit hard to tell because I was thinking maybe with the white wheels that this is the Super Treasure Hunt, but nope. This is the mainline variation of the 49 Ford F1, but still very cool to get this one. We'll put that one aside. And we've got Justice League Batmobile, which I believe is the treasure hunt for the case. It is. So if we look at the top right there, you can see right there, there's the treasure hunt logo just on the top. But pretty cool looking color variation of that one though. I really do like that one. We'll put that aside. Then we've got the Mad Manga right there, new color of that. And ooh, check this one out, X-Jet from the Marvel X-Men series. That is actually really cool. I do like that one. Okay, interesting. We'll have to open that one up in the future. 52 Chevy right here. We've got the AMC Rebel Machine and Turtle Shell. We've got a new color variation of Turtle Shell. There we go. We'll put him aside. We've got Erkenstein Rod. And we've got another one of the 2019 Audi R8 Spiders. And one of the highlight cars from this case, we have the 1994 Bugatti EB110 SS for Super Sport in blue from the HW Exotic series. Was really looking forward to getting that one. We have it, and wow, it is gorgeous, absolutely amazing. Really, really excited to get that one. So we got that one finally. And what else do we have up here? We've got the Mercedes-Benz 500E. That's a new color variation. We have the custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT and a 52 Chevy, another one of those ones as well in that new color. We'll go ahead and put those aside. And we have Tricera Truck. There we go. We've got the 67 Oldsmobile 442 and a new color variation of the 1982 Dodge Rampage. It's an interesting looking casting. We've got the little or the three-wheeler motorbike, I guess you would call it, right in the back right there. So kind of cool right there. All right, we'll put him aside. And we've got a couple more up here. We've got the Turtle Shell again. We've got Erkenstein Rod again. And we've got the RoboPrace Robocar in a new color variation, the electric unmanned race car. And we've got the 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. We have looks to be a new casting. It's called Fusion Buster. Fusion Buster. What do you guys think of that one? That's kind of different looking, but there we go. We've got that one. And we've got Ain't Fair, new color variation of Ain't Fair. We'll put him aside as well. We've got a new casting of the Toyota Land Cruiser 80. That is really neat. I do like that one. We've got the 1998 Subaru Impreza 22B STI variation again, and Forward Force. And what else do we have? We've got the Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02, that electric one. We saw that one in the previous case. 67 Camaro and the Nissan Silvia S13 in a nice glossy red color. And we've got three more for the first half. Another one of the Nissan S15s or S13, Nissan Silvia S13. New color variation of the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. That looks really good. Really like that. It's kind of like a dark green color. It's hard to say. It almost looks black in my light, but it's a dark green. We've got the 70s van Space Jam edition. There's your Space Jam for the new movie that just came out right there. Really cool. And we'll go to the next half of the case right here. We'll throw the card aside. And what else do we have? We've got another 70s van. We've got the Nissan Leaf again. And we've got the Aston Martin 177. That's that like ambulance rescue edition of the Aston Martin 177. And we'll go to the top right here. We've got the 1970 Toyota Celica. That looks to be a new color of that one. Another Robo-Race Robo-Car. And we've got the Tesla Cybertruck. We did see this one in the previous case, but always cool to get an extra one of those ones. Very, very cool. And what else do we have up here? We've got the Ducati Scrambler Hot Wheels Edition. That looks to be a new color of that one. We've got the Mad Splash. Okay, that's definitely interesting. It looks like it's a boat, but it's got wheels on it. Check out all that right there. That's definitely a new casting from the Hot Wheels race team. Okay, interesting. 2015 Dodge Charger SRT. There we go. We'll put those ones here on this side right here. And we'll grab our next ones. We've got the X-Jet again. There we go. We've got the Davincinator. All right. And the Rocket Oil Special. All right. Interesting casting right there. Another one of the Bugattis, the 1994 Bugatti EB110 SS for Super Sport. We've got the 87 Buick Regal GNX, and we've got a new color variation of the Nissan R390 GT1. That's a nice little darker red color that we've got that one in. That one's a really cool casting. Really like that one. First came out in blue. Now we've got the recolor in red. And we've got another ones up here. We've got the GT Scorcher. We've got the Grand Cross and Rally Baja Crawler. All right, this one I think is from the Fast and Furious. Yeah, Fast and Furious Spy Racers right there for that one right there. All right, we'll put those aside. What else do we have? We've got the AMC Rebel Machine again, another one of those Nissan Silvia S13s, and we've got a new color variation of the Porsche 914 Safari. This time we've got it in white. I believe we had this one in yellow, and it might have been one other color. I can't remember exactly, but pretty cool casting. We'll put those aside, and we've got the Pixel Shaker. We've got Praying Menace and Ain't Fair. Some nice fantasy castings right there for you guys. We've got another one of the Toyota Land Cruisers, Toyota Land Cruiser 80, the GT Scorcher, and the 2021 Ford Bronco in the new orange recolor of that one. There we go. And what else do we have right here? We've got a broken card on the Nissan R390 GT1. We've got the 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS Fire Rescue Edition. That's an interesting one. We saw this one released in the original black. Now we've got it in a rescue variation. We've got the Bat Plane. There is the Bat Plane right there. And we're down to our last rows here. We've got Forward Force, the LB Works Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. Ooh, we saw that one in the previous case. Really, really cool to get another one of those. And another Aston Martin 177. All right. And our last three cars of the case, we have the See Me Rollin', the Davincinator, and La Troca. In the comment section down below, let me know which was your favorite car from this case. Make sure you guys hit that like button and follow and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.